Pop-up ads are malicious advertisement. A new window containing irrelevant ads pops up now and then. Of course, they are annoying, distracting and frustrating. Many ads-based companies trick you to get your email address so that they could spam you legally. Why? Because you had given the consent to spam your inbox by signing up. Malicious pop-up ad can inject or implant Trojan, viruses, keyloggers or even rootkits to steal your confidential data, bank records, document and important files. Now what are the safety tips? Don't close the pop-up ad by clicking on the close button or cancel button because they can run malicious script. Use Ctrl key plus W or Alt key plus function key F4 to close the pop-up, or right click on the start bar to open Task Manager. Select the browser option or select the option and click End Task. Most of the ads probe you to buy fake antivirus program. They will trick you to install. Don't be a victim. Stay safe. Use Mozilla Firefox or any other secure browser. Install a pop-up blocker extension from the Play Store or an Apple Store. Use extension like AdBlock Plus, Pop-up Blocker, Stand STANDS, AdGuard, BetterPop, Smart Pop-up Blocker, Ad Blocker, NoScript, Ghostery, GOSTERY. I do not endorse any of this product, but most of them I had used it personally. Don't click on the image, link or website you are unfamiliar. Use mobile antivirus program like Kaspersky to protect your mobile phones.